Hi there, I'm Max Shiaz. I am the founder of a cleaning business that generates over $1 million in sales annually. I'm starting this YouTube channel so that I can help more people achieve what I've achieved in the last 6+ years. It has been quite a tough ride during these 6 years. So I want to help as many people overcome the issues and struggles I faced during these years. So first to get started, I'll give you a basic introduction of myself. I am half Sri Lankan and half Maldivian. I came to Australia in the year 2013 and I did my master's in international business. I was working in the fast food industry during my university days, and once I finished my master's, I decided that I wanted to start a business. I did not want to work for someone else, so I decided that I should start a business. And from what I know, getting into cleaning business required the least amount of startup capital. So I decided that I should get into the cleaning industry. I registered my business in the year 2015. I bought a carpet cleaning machine which was around $3,000 or so. I did not even know how to operate a carpet cleaning machine when I bought it, and I was under the impression that if I bought the equipment, that I'll get the customers. But we pretty much sucked during the first 2 years of our business just because I did not know how to get jobs or leads. The jobs I was getting were pretty crap because it was cheap jobs. So during the struggle of the first year or so, my savings were depleting. So I decided that I should get a second job until I learn how to get jobs and leads for my cleaning business. So my second job was as a courier, and any extra income I was making from the courier job, I was putting it back into my cleaning business so that I could learn how to market my services. I tried various different ways to market my business, such as distributing leaflets, spending on Facebook paid ads, and other stuff. And finally, I came across Google. So Google paid ads was the biggest blessing that I had come across because that platform allowed me to grow this cleaning business to over 7 figures. To this day, more than 90% of all the business we get is from Google, and I continue to invest heavily on this platform. Just so you know, this did not happen overnight, but I spent countless number of hours on learning the Google ad platform, and I spent a lot of money until I started learning the platform. Currently, we have spent over $160,000 on this platform and continue to do so every single day. When I first started spending on Google Ads, we had a budget of around $20 per day or even less, but currently we do not have a budget and continue to spend over $5,000 per month on this platform. I find that the return on the investment has been amazing for me, so I continue to spend more on that platform. Currently, we have over 30 cleaners working for us, and we generate over $100,000 per month in revenue every single month. So we have close to 200 cleaning contracts that we service every single week. So we have a recurring income stream from the customers, and we pretty much have to manage our cleaning contracts, and we get a weekly income from them. We have cleaning contracts in Western Australia as well as in Victoria of Australia, and we look forward to growing strongly in Australia in the years to come. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and follow my journey so that I could teach you how to run a successful cleaning business as I am currently doing. Feel free to ask questions in the comments below, which would allow me to make new videos. Also, make sure that you follow me on all social media as I do a lot of posts on all of them.